Hey guys, Rich Pacino, your YouTube vlogger and creator here. Today I want to talk about how to make money on YouTube, and this video is being created for the new YouTubers who recently got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. So I hope you guys could stick around. But before we get started, I just want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first time visiting. And I also want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Hope you like the content and you come back for more. And this video is being created with Filmora 13. But before we get started, I took a little snippet of the new updated feature. Yep, this is the release of the new one today. It came out yesterday was the October 28th was the 13.0.25 version, and now the latest version is right over here, 13.0.26. I'm going to play the clip. You guys could pause it. Just for the reason why I'm doing this is in case you guys you want to read a little about what you're getting. Some people, you're going to probably see it if you do download it, but let's say you don't get a chance to download it. So I thought I'd just put this out there, and you can pause the video and read a little about it here. They got the #1 AI Copilot editing, AI text to video, AI text based editing, AI music generator, AI thumbnail creator, and so on. You guys can read it at your own. Just pause the video. As you can see, the title over here is How to Earn Money on YouTube. And over here you can see to the side, if you haven't been to this site, it'll say how to earn money on YouTube. Choose how you want to monetize, understand your earnings, your YouTube channel monetization policy, YouTube's contest policies and guidelines, get started with YouTube Brand Connect, YouTube to commerce products and monetization policies. But let's look over here. Here, when you go to this site here, it'll say we're expanding YouTube Partner Program to more creators with an early access to fan funding and shopping features. The expanded YouTube Partner Program is available, eligible for creators, and you would hit this here. It's an active hyperlink. It'll take you to another page, and these are the countries with the regions, right? Okay, it says the expansion is rolling out over the next month to eligible creators, and it gives you all this here. I'm not going to read all this here. I want to keep this video short as possible, so that's why I'm going to give you the link, and you can read it at your own leisure. So let's look a little over here. I'm going to skip around. It says you can earn money on YouTube by applying for and being accepted to the YouTube Partner Program. Only channels that follow our YouTube channel monetization policies may be able to monetize. I'm just going to play the beginning of this clip for a few seconds here, and then you can come back and check it out. Okay, so here we go. Let me just mute. I don't think I have to mute my mic. Yeah, let me mute it.
Your creativity deserves to be rewarded. That's why the YouTube Partner Program offers more ways to make money from your channel and community than anywhere else. Let's walk through how to qualify, apply, and get approved.
Okay, the reason why I did that, folks, because I don't want to get any community guideline strikes on my YouTube channel. That's why I played a little snippet for you. It's a 4-minute video, but you could, check it out again at your own leisure. Definitely watch it, okay? I highly recommend you watch that video, all right? And then over here, you can, again, everything in blue, folks, just to let you guys know, and I'm not saying this to be funny because some people may not know, but anytime your arrow turns into a hand, that is what you call an active hyperlink, and when you click it on, it's going to hyperlink you to another page, all right? All right, so here you're going to have a few notes here, okay? It says we won't tell you what you can create on YouTube, but we do have a responsibility to do right by our viewers, creators, and advertisers. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you could earn money through YouTube. When in the YouTube Partner Program, we hold you to a higher standard. And then again, you could read more into this here. I don't want to bore you guys to death. I just, I do these videos, folks, to help people out, especially if you're a new YouTuber. I know in the beginning, when I first started back in 2013, I had to learn through trial and error, so to speak, find out little tidbits information from this creator, from that creator, and then so on and so forth, So that's why I do these videos, to help you out. So I hope you'll get a takeaway from it, and hopefully have your attention still you're still here. If you like my videos and you do get a takeaway from it, please don't forget that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post that new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Okay, let's continue here. Okay, ways to make money in the YouTube Partner Program. Okay, you can make money on the YouTube on YouTube through the following features: advertising revenue. Okay, I'm just gonna hit the highlights, and again, you're gonna check it out. Shopping. Okay, YouTube Premium revenue, channel memberships, super chat, super stickers, super thanks. Okay, and then it goes on to say just a little. You read a little into it. It says each feature has its own set of eligibility requirements on top of the subscriber and a view count requirements. Again, there's certain things that you have to meet, you know, in order to like certain thresholds, I guess, and certain things to actually utilize these here. Okay, you like I said again, you could read more into this here. Minimum eligibility requirements to turn on monetization features. Okay, then they got the channel thresholds. Okay, all right, the minimum requirements: be at least 18 years old, live in a country where the channel membership is available. Okay, and they got that part there. Now I think they lowered it down as far as channel thresholds. 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads within the last 90 days. Then it goes on to say here, either 3,000 public watch hours on long form videos that'll in the last 365 days, 3 million public short views in at least in the last 90 days. Okay, and then it talks about these things here. All right, shopping for shopping your own products, super chats, and super stickers, and so on. Okay. Ad revenue. It talks a little more about it. Gets a little more involved in that to read. You know, you got some more content to read. So I hope you guys again will take advantage of it. And then basically, this is the end of the video here, folks. Your YouTube earnings and tax liability. When I got my channel finally monetized and I started making money off of YouTube, they ended up giving me a 1099 form. I think everybody who's making money on YouTube will be receiving those near tax time. So I know I'll be getting one. I didn't make great money, but you know, nothing to write home about. But you know, I did make money off of YouTube. I'm a small YouTuber. You know, my channel's small, but it's growing thanks to you guys out there. All right, so that's basically all I have here. Okay, right now for you guys. I will drop this link below. Check out the video. As you can see down here, it says recommended for you YouTube community guidelines. Again, active hyperlink. YouTube self-certification overview, super thanks, eligibility, availability, and process. Get started with YouTube, Brand Connect, and so on and so forth. If you need more help, then over here, post to the help community, and then you could also contact them. Okay, and that's basically it. All right, this is the focal point of this video is to help the new YouTubers out there who recently became accepted to the YouTube Partner Program. And before I close this video out, I just want to say, as I always do in my videos, if you already, or if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have an established YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best of success. Keep making those videos, put them out there because people will watch them. I know they will because I know I will be watching them. And the 5 things I want to say really quick, okay, for the new YouTubers out there when it comes to creating videos. 5 things. 1, keep it real. Number 2, keep it original. Number 3, let your channel grow organically. Number 4, good titles. And number 5, good thumbnails. Do those 5 things and your channel will grow. Believe me, I could say this honestly because it's working for me. And the other thing I want to say is be consistent, folks. Try to put out a video. If you can't do it on a daily basis, I try doing it on a daily basis, okay? Sometimes I can't because I got other, things that happen throughout the course of the day, and it doesn't lead me to do that. But for the most part, for the new YouTubers out there, take advantage of the YouTube Shorts. They do work, okay? I have been getting subscribers from them. I have been getting views. It's also been, making my view count go up, my total view count. Hopefully, well, I'm about 100 and something thousand, or maybe about 150,000 or whatever, shy of over 1 million views so far, according to Social Blade. Okay, content is king and consistency. Okay, like I said before with the YouTube Shorts, use those as a promo to your new YouTube channel. Seriously, if you're going to start a YouTube channel, dive into the YouTube Shorts. They are good. They do work. Okay, and I only know this from experience because they're working for me. And if it'll work for me, it's definitely going to work for you guys. Okay, use them as a promo. If it's you only got 60 seconds, but within that 60 seconds, you could tell people what your YouTube channel is going to be about. Okay, it's like a trailer. Look at it as like a movie trailer to your YouTube channel. Okay, and I will also share this with you guys. I got to say this. Looking at my analytics, I have noticed that when I don't do a daily video, I try to do a daily video, be it short or long form, I do notice the view count goes down, okay? My subscriber base goes down, and the watch time, goes down too, views, okay? That too. That's how I'm experiencing it on my end, okay? I don't know, you guys might have it different, I don't know, but that's what I've been noticing happening, with me, that when I don't put out videos on a daily basis, I notice that there. Views go down, subscriber base goes down, so try to keep, if you could, try to do it, on a daily basis. If you could, only if you got, if you work a 9-to-5 job, it's going to probably be a little difficult, but stick to it, folks. It works, believe me. I'm not, making tons and tons of money, but you got to be, it's like lottery. You got to be in it to win it. You got to work at it, but you can do it, guys. You can, even if you start off making like let's say you get your channel becomes monetized and you're making an extra $100 or whatever it is a month or whatever, or $200 a month. Hey, I ain't complaining. You know what I'm saying? That's money in your pocket, so to speak. The nice thing about it, folks, you're having fun doing it, because you're doing something you love. I love creating videos. I love helping and sharing information with people, because that's what YouTube channel is all about. Help, inspire, and share, right? So that's what it's all about. And when I feel the information is viable and that may be helpful to you guys, I will post it up on this YouTube channel. Okay, guys? So I'm going to let you go. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. This is Rich Pacini signing off. Bye-bye for now.